First, we're going to unbox the machine, remove all the plastic, all the parts from the box, and then take the plastic bag off of the machine. Step 1, we're going to install the front and the rear stabilizer tubes. They're held in place with 2 screws and a nut on each end. There's also a curved washer that goes on right underneath the nut. Want to make sure that these are very tight, both on the front and the rear stabilizer tubes. Repeat the same process on the opposite tube and make sure it is very snug. Step 2, we're going to attach the rear stabilizer cover. That's held in place with just 2 Phillips head screws. Step 3, we're going to attach the handlebars. It's held in place with just 4 screws, and you'll have to use an Allen wrench to tighten those down. There is a flat washer that goes on underneath the head of that screw, and make sure that all 4 of these screws are extremely tight. Step 4, we're going to attach the console to the handlebars. The first thing you want to do is attach that console to the bracket, and then attach the bracket and tighten it down with the screw. Now we need to install the transmitter. You want to run the speed sensor wire behind the frame, plug it into the transmitter, and then secure the transmitter to the Velcro strap. We're going to attach the right and the left pedals to the cranks. Remember, on the left side, the threads are left-hand threads, and you have to turn those in a counterclockwise direction. On the right side, it's a normal thread, and you screw those in a clockwise direction. These pedals both need to be extremely tight.